Hello and welcome to our talk, Supporting Sustainability in Online Distance Learning Design, our journey to connect colleagues with non-tokenistic actions. I'm James Openshaw, a learning designer at the Open University in the Micro-Credentials team.
And I'm Paul Astles, a learning designer at the Open University in the STEM faculty.
Paul and I are part of a small team of learning designers at the Open University who have been working to develop support for colleagues to help them embed sustainability within the course design process in a meaningful and non-tokenistic way. We only have 5 minutes, so our talk will quickly share with you what our journey has been so far. So bringing information together. We began our journey by gathering together a wide range of resources into an online board, and we used Miro to do this. It helped us to map connections and commonalities between the resources that we were accessing as part of our research into the topic of sustainability. It soon became clear that in order to share these resources in an accessible manner, we needed to refine the information in an easy to digest format. And this is what came out of the process of refinement. A honeycomb of connected resources grouped by theme, such as the role of HE in a sustainable future and pedagogical approaches and teaching methods. The purpose of this is to act as a springboard for others to explore areas of interest. You can access a copy of this as a PDF by scanning the QR code on a poster that we have created and are displaying on the poster wall. So, how have we been sharing information? One method of sharing information about our work has been through social media, specifically Yammer and Twitter. We use Yammer to promote our work within the OU community. This helped to connect us with several interested parties, and if you saw our other talk yesterday, you will have seen how this developed into communities of interest and practice coming together at an organizational level. We have also been sharing our resources and approaches at conferences. Here at the Eden Conference, you can see our poster, which looks like this, over on the poster wall, and it summarizes our work up to this point. We're going to be delivering a workshop at the ALT conference in September to showcase some practical applications of the work we are doing and encourage delegates to reflect on and share how they can use this in their place of work. And lastly, we have been nominated for a Green Gown Award and an ALT Award for the work we are doing, and this has helped us articulate the impact and benefits of our approaches.
In our other talk at this year's conference, we showed some prompts that might help facilitate conversations about sustainability, and we thought it would be good to use the remaining few moments to explore an example of how one of our resources could be used. This is a resource that highlights to its audience what is freely available on OpenLearn. The information on OpenLearn is split into 3 categories. You can see here on screen: Explore, Empower and Do. This is accessible via the QR code on the resource itself, and you can also click on a hyperlink if you're viewing the resource as a PDF. Again, you can find these via the poster, and you'll have access to them via the QR code on the poster. It might be that you're trying to connect with some existing resources as part of learning experiences, and if you explore those OpenLearn pages, you will find a range of content. Just 2 examples of this are on screen, and it's possible to connect with and use existing open access content on OpenLearn to enrich the learning experiences as appropriate. So our top 3 takeaways from our work are: number 1, to focus on identifying non-tokenistic actions that can meaningfully support change, knowledge building or skills development. Number 2, create opportunities for students to input into the resource design because their ideas, comments and critiques are invaluable. And number 3, recognize that everyone's journey towards taking meaningful non-tokenistic actions to embed sustainability will be different. These are some of the references that we attached to our submission for this talk, and thank you so much for listening.